Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between two grooming giants. On the left, we have the Philips OneBlade replacement blade, and on the right, we have the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades. Get ready for a showdown of epic proportions. Let's kick things off with the price. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade comes in at a cool $0. Yeah, you heard that right. It's absolutely free, just kidding, it's actually very reasonably priced. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades will set you back around $24. So in terms of price, our winner is the Philips OneBlade replacement blade. Now let's talk durability. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade boasts two blades that can last up to 8 months. That's a lot of clean shaves, plus it has a handy usage indicator to remind you when it's time to change the blade. On the flip side, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades also claim to last up to 8 months, so it's a tie in the durability department. Time to get versatile. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade fits all OneBlade handles, which means you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. It's like a perfect match made in grooming heaven. Meanwhile, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades can be used wet or dry, with or without foam, even in the shower. So, in terms of versatility, both products bring their A-game. Let's talk about the most important thing, the shaving experience. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade is rechargeable and can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. It's like having a personal grooming wizard in your hand. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades deliver a fast, clean shave with a coated blade that reduces razor burn. Plus, the rounded tips protect your precious skin from nicks and cuts. So, in terms of the ultimate shaving experience, it's a tie. In summary, the Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP 220/50 is highly recommended for its effortless precision, long-lasting durability, versatility, easy installation, and a gentle and comfortable grooming experience. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades are praised for their durability, sharpness, and precise shave. Both products have positive reviews overall. And that's a wrap, folks. In the battle of the Philips OneBlade replacement blade and the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades, it's a close call. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade takes the crown for price, while the Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades shine in the shaving experience department. Ultimately, it all comes down to your personal preferences and grooming needs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay smart and buy smart.